So, how have people been reacting to the ZOSO declaration in Denham town? TVJ's Anthony Logg has been in the community. He joins me now. You've been talking to people on the ground. What have they been saying?
No, Archie, in many ways, it's kind of a sign of the times. There were a lot of police and military on the ground. Persons didn't seem to make much of that, however, or even connect it to a zones of special operation. While most persons didn't want to speak with us, we found several persons who were willing to share their views. Armed police, military personnel, security checkpoints and barricades, all at the entrances to Denham town in West Kingston on Tuesday. Scenes like these made it evident to residents and others that something major was on its way. TVJ News understands that the security forces imposed a curfew in the area and began erecting barricades at the security checkpoints just before 5 on Tuesday morning, awaiting the declaration of the Prime Minister. Streets like Beeston Street, Oxford Street, and Pink Lane were cordoned off, delaying persons who were trying to gain access or leave the community, as police and soldiers were conducting searches and recording identification card information. On the outside of the community, things seemed to be normal as vehicles and pedestrians were able to move freely along Spanish Town Road. Quiet too, the Coronation Market area, which is often affected by crime. Most persons weren't even aware that a zone of special operations had been declared, but welcomed the initiative.
It will help in a way that most people stop coming because of the robbery and all those things are going on. So, I mean, more people can come in, can come by, and we can make a better money and thing.
I feel better now still, because most people are coming to market in a fear, and with the police present, you'll find more people come to the market.
We tried to get comment from residents outside of the zone, as media have been restricted from accessing the area while the initial operation is taking place, but no one was willing to talk. However, the owner of this restaurant located at the intersection of Spanish Town Road told us how his business was affected.
I got a phone call that the area being barricaded by barriers in front of my restaurant, and it will hamper the operation. So I was informed it's not wise to come, just call off today and come and see what's taking place.
And so this appeal to authorities.
If they could adjust the barricade a little and don't interfere with the old station customer that come and stop to buy, I will appreciate that.
Anthony Logg, TVJ News.